Hey guys, it's McCall Slimes. Today in this video I'm going to be doing the dollar store slime challenge. And these are all the ingredients that I bought there. There wasn't too much, but I got some glitter, Tide for the activator. I also got 3 bottles of glue, some foaming soap, and some shaving cream to make fluffy slime. So first I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So I'm pouring in some of my glue. Now I'm going to be adding my shaving cream to make it fluffy. And now I'm going to be adding my foaming soap. Most of you guys probably already know how to make fluffy slime, but I'm just explaining it, just in case you don't. So now I'm going to be mixing the ingredients and just making it all one solid texture. Now I'm adding my Tide activator. The Tide does make the slime like a tint of blue, but I don't mind because I didn't have any other activator at the store. Now just keep adding in the activator and it will start to pull off the bowl. You can go in kneading with your hands whenever you like. I started right there, even though it was really sticky. It takes a while, you have to keep adding the Tide in, and now it's a perfect texture. Now I'm going to be adding some glitter. I'm going to be adding the white iridescent glitter because it just looks pretty. Even though you can't really see it in the slime, it's just a little extra touch. Now I'm going to be making some thick slime. So I'm just going to add in my glue like I did before. Now I'm going to be adding some green food coloring just because I want to make it green. Next I'm going to be adding some foaming soap. I've never used foaming hand soap before in my slime, so this is new to me. Now I'm going to add my Tide activator. Just add it in slowly and just keep mixing. I decided to mix the two slimes together because why not? It made a really nice color and a really good texture. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I actually really liked this challenge. It was really fun and I was surprised that my dollar store had all the ingredients. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you really liked the video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.